What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel for a very special segment. Now today, obviously we've got some crazy and different things going on, and I'll get into the reason for that in a few minutes. But first of all, I hope you had an excellent Thanksgiving. And in honor of Black Friday, we are having one of our biggest sales of the year on Reshoevn8r.com. Savings are insane. You're gonna wanna head over to the website and check that out. And on Cyber Monday, the first 5,000 orders over $50 are gonna receive a free Reshoevn8r branded dust bag. So that's insane already. So go ahead, click on the link down below, make your way over to Reshoevn8r.com and take advantage of these deals. Now, for today's video. Obviously, we've got some Thanksgiving meal traditional favorites here on the table, and what we're doing is a battle royale between Vick Almighty and Mr. Reshoevn8r. Both of these guys are gonna have a plate that is filled up to the brim with all of this food. Round one is gonna be a trivia round, so each contestant is gonna have 7 questions. And if they answer those questions incorrectly, it's gonna result in a time penalty for round 2, which is our eating competition. So at the end of that eating competition, the loser is the one who hasn't finished the food on their plate. So the first one to finish their plate is the winner. And the winner gets to take these Cactus plant flea market Air Force Ones and dirty them with whatever's left on the table and the loser's plate. And the loser is gonna have to clean this shoe in costume, a turkey costume, back at Reshoevn8r at our cleaning station. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, the rules are simple and the stakes are high. Every incorrect answer gets you a 10-second penalty on the next round. Vic, we're gonna start with you. How many products come with our signature cleaning kit?
7.
That's correct. Steve, how many games did the 2020 NBA final go to?
6.
That's correct. Vic, name 3 racing-themed video games.
Mario Kart, this Beetle racing game for the Nintendo 64, and Need for Speed.
Beetle racing?
I think you gotta give us a real name.
Look it up.
It's called the Beetle Racing Game?
It's not called that, Gran Torino.
There we go. We got 3 of them out of you. That's
4.
a correct
I'm sure
answer.
there's some bonus points right there.
Steve, what is the highest viewed video on the Reshoevn8r YouTube channel?
I would say Jordan 1 bread restoration.
That's a 10-second penalty for you, my man. It is the custom Sean Weatherspoon Air Max 97 with 5.4 million views.
Okay.
Vic, what shoes was Kobe wearing during his last game?
The Kobe 11. I don't, do you have to come up with a specific name?
I'd like it.
The Black Mambas, I think?
That's it, correct answer. Steve, how many kits and bundles do we offer on our website, and what are they?
How many kits and bundles?
Mm-hmm.
Well, we have 2 bundles. The essential quick clean bundle, the deep clean bundle. We have the signature kit, we have the essential kit, we have the dry suede kit.
That's it.
There you go.
5. And I had all of them right. Vic, what Reshoevn8r product do you use to clean suede?
A soft bristle brush, suede eraser, solution.
That's not the answer that we've got here.
Dry suede cleaning kit.
There you go.
All right, that's new. That's, all right.
Yeah, I don't know, that's kind of a half point, but okay.
Let's give him a 5-second penalty.
That's fine, that's fair.
Yeah.
Steve, how many shoes to date has the Jordan brand released in the Michael Jordan series?
35.
Correct. Vic, how many videos does Reshoevn8r currently have on their YouTube channel? And it's a tough one, so I'm gonna give you closest without going over.
500.
Nope.
What do you got?
658.
That's over.
Nope. Check it.
I have here 567.
So you went over.
No, it doesn't. It wasn't my question.
That's a tough one.
It's actually 568.
It's 568.
Yeah. Check it.
Published?
Yeah. 568. Because one dropped yesterday.
Well, nice job, Steve. I think we're gonna give you a 10-second penalty on that one. How many championship wins do the Phoenix Suns have?
0.
Correct.
Get him all the easy ones, guys.
Who is the designer of the Air Max 1?
Tinker Hatfield.
Correct. Steve, Who is the newest team member to the Reshoevn8r squad?
Jordan.
Correct. Vic, what Reshoevn8r product can protect you from a messy Thanksgiving dinner?
Our repellent.
All right, correct. Matt, what is our final result? It's a tie. All right, we're gonna do a Reshoevn8r best out of 5 for the 10-second penalty. One of you's getting it.
I'll take the 10-second penalty.
You'll take the 10-second penalty,
Sure.
an act of charity from Mr. Reshoevn8r. Vic, do you accept
I'll take it.
this gesture of goodwill?
Let's do it.
All right, gentlemen, let's get into it. As agreed, Steve is starting with a 10-second penalty, so Vic, you can begin in 3, 2, 1. All right, Steve, 3, 2, 1.
You pass me up.
Sure, Steve, what do you want? You're so not to throw up.
I think we have a clear winner.
Where's the turkey soup?
There you have it. We do have a clear winner. Congratulations, Steve. Vic, I'm sorry for your loss. The bathroom's down the hall on the left. Obviously, now's the time you gotta turn over your food to Steve. Vic, you're also gonna be the one cleaning up these shoes in a turkey costume back at the office. So, Steve, why don't you give it your best shot and dirty these shoes with the leftovers?
Put the inside of corn.
Man, I'm not gonna do that to you.
In on this.
There you go. Come on, yeah, dude, let's have some fun. All right, Vic, I'm sorry. Today just wasn't your day. Hopefully this doesn't create too many issues for you. Can you tell me about your strategy in cleaning things? What product do you need?
First of all, congrats, Steve. You're only 3 times bigger than me. Second, I'm gonna have to put these in the washing machine a couple of times to make sure you get all that corn out the chute for the winner's sake. I don't know, man. All right, guys, we are back in the studio. Fair is fair. I lost the competition. It's time to clean these Air Force Ones. Honestly, this really sucks. I'm wearing a turkey suit. I gotta clean both shoes, and I lost to Steve. All 3 things that majorly suck. I'm definitely wearing gloves for this cleaning. There's no way I'm not. Honestly, guys, I'm pretty annoyed right now. Food's still perfectly in place after a day of letting it dry and simmer into the shoe. Okay, well, let's get into it, guys. We're gonna be using our signature shoe cleaning kit for this cleaning. We're gonna have to try to, scrape some of this stuff off before we actually start the cleaning process. Our signature shoe cleaning kit includes our shoe trees, our laundry bag, all 3 brushes, and solution. We'll also be using our laundry pods, our cleaning mat, and our drying rack slash little bowl for our water. All right, I'm having a hard time figuring out where to start. Guess I'll just start by moving the mashed potatoes. I have a trash can right here where I'm just gonna toss most of this stuff away. Sorry guys, I'm having a hard time doing this. It's mushy, it's cold. It feels horrible on my fingers. It stinks. I think I got the majority of this Boston Market crust off the shoe. Now let's get into the actual cleaning. First thing we gotta do is pour some water into our bowl and a couple of squirts of our solution.
The gloves are off!
The gloves are off!
Psych, the gloves are going back on. There's no way I'm doing this cleaning without them. Now let's take out our shoelaces. I don't think they're gonna come out smoothly. They're just covered in, I don't know, it's sweet potatoes. Good to go with that. Now let's grab our shoe trees. Adjust them in size real quick and put them inside the shoe. Let's do this. The first brush we're gonna be using is our soft bristle brush, so we can start breaking down all this sweet potatoes. All right guys, I'm actually gonna skip the soft bristle brush. I need something more heavy duty. So we're gonna move on to a medium bristle brush. Hopefully this, starts taking off some of this orange stuff, because as of right now, I think it's stained. Honestly, we're not looking so good, you guys. These shoes are definitely stained. I scrubbed as much as I could with the medium bristle brush. Didn't even bother with the soft bristle brush. The sweet potatoes definitely stained the shoe. Note to self, on Thanksgiving, don't drop any sweet potatoes on your white shoes because it's definitely gonna stain if you let them sit this long. But right now we're gonna move on to the soles. I doubt we're gonna get these stains off the soles as well, but we're gonna try anyway. We'll be using our stiff bristle brush. These soles are definitely stained as well. The next thing we're gonna do, you guys, is put these shoes in the washing machine. If the leather is stained on this shoe, then the laces are definitely ruined. If by some miracle the shoe cleans up after you put them in the wash and leave them out in the sun, then I'll put some brand new laces on this Air Force One. For now, we're just gonna put these shoes inside our sink and laundry bag and put them in the washing machine. Alright guys, we are back. This shoe is not as gross as it originally was in the beginning of this video. We put these in the washing machine, got them fully cleaned up inside and out. Afterwards, we put them outside in the sun. These shoes were still heavily stained after the washing machine. One good pointer that I picked up a couple years back, if you have random stains on your shoe, go put them under the sun. Sometimes the sun does this thing where it just kind of absorbs the color. For example, on this shoe, it didn't totally do that. It's still pretty stained all around, but before I put them out in the sun, when I took them out the washing machine, these orange stains were a lot stronger, specifically on the tongue. On the tongue, the stains aren't really there anymore. During the cleaning process, they were just all over the tongues. So that's something to keep in mind if you guys ever have some random stains. Go put them under the sun. Sometimes the sun will just take out those stains. But for the most part, don't ever get sweet potatoes on your white shoes because it's definitely gonna stain. I'm not even gonna bother putting new shoelaces on them because these shoes were a bust. They are ruined, unfortunately. But that's okay, it's part of the process, you guys. Don't forget about our Black Friday sale going on, you guys. It's taking place between November 26th and November 30th. It is our biggest sale of the year. First 5,000 orders made over $50 will receive a free dust bag. Don't sleep, you guys, super dope. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Next time, Steve is going down. Catch you guys on Monday.